the concept behind putting a red man, abstract red man in the balcony was that we wanted to create an emphasis point, a point of attraction in the whole elevation.
हमारा आर्किटेक्चर करियर फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट मारा नानानु घर डिज़ाइन करवा मळ्युं। उनका जो निर्मल स्वभाव और जो बोल्डनेस थी उनके एटीट्यूड की, वो हमने डिज़ाइन में अप्लाई करने की कोशिश की है। આપણે છાનીની વાત કરીએ ત્યારે છાની જૂનું પહેલાં વિલેજ હતું, આજથી 10 વર્ષ પહેલાં જ્યારે આપણે એન્ટર થઈએ છીએ ત્યાં આપણને એક કલ્ચરલ ગેટ સાથે એક નોડ ડિફાઇન કરેલો છે કે જ્યાં બધા પહેલાં ભેગા થતા હતા, જે અત્યારે વેસ્ટર્ન યુઝ થઈ રહ્યો છે। તો જેવું આપણું ઇન્ડિયા છે કે જ્યાં બધા જ ધર્મના લોકો એક સાથે રહે છે, એવી જ રીતે છાનીમાં બી બધા જ લોકો એક સાથે રહે છે। તો અત્યારે બી જે કમ્યુનિટી ડેવલપ થઈ છે એ બી બધી મિક્સ કમ્યુનિટી છે। So we have the plot of the 2000 square feet with the access from the south side of the plot.
So the entry to the plot is from the main road, which is from the southern side, so which is not good according to Vastu. So the entry is shifted to the eastern part of the block. So at the entrance we are getting this Ota space to give a sense of community to the place, so that the neighbors can come there and sit there, talk with their morning tea and the evening breakfast. This to give traditional feel to this place. The furniture and the inlay patterns in the flooring are designed in a way that nostalgic about the traditional furniture and the patterns which were going on. Eye-catching element in the Ota is the artwork which is displayed on the entrance wall. So as soon as we enter the living space through this full height wooden door, so as we stand here under the double height, we see two chandeliers hanging from the pitched roof of the ceiling. So these brick fins kept at an angle act as a backdrop for the seating space, and the exposed brickwork, they are placed at an angle like only the sun rays from the east in the morning can enter the house, and then the rest of the day the southern and the western harsh sun are cut out, which helps in keeping the place cool. To add a lively feature to it, we have used a traditional jhula with the traditional brass chains, which acts as a barrier also, which divides the living room and the kitchen, and also as a lively character where which one would use to read a newspaper in the morning or to just sit and chill. The open floor plan then extends towards the puja room and the dining space in the northeast corner. So the puja room also is placed in the northeast corner because there was this ancient temple which was there at the same place, and we had to respect that and keep the puja room in the same place. Adjacent to the puja room and the dining area falls the kitchen, which completes the ensemble, which is in the southeast corner, which is also according to Vastu, and attached to the kitchen is the wash area or the chokdi, which we call. So this curved wall divides the puja room and the dining area, but it keeps them visually connected. And if we talk about the light shaft, so this is the area where the light shaft is provided. So it is a double volume which is open to sky. Has a backdrop of 7 chakras of human body in vibrant colors. So this continuous flowing staircase acts a barrier which divides the living room with the kitchen, and also it seamlessly blends with the interior because it is made till only the first landing and then the conventional staircase continues. But with its seamless wooden curves, it gels with the interiors because everywhere in the house teak wood is used. So in this staircase, this material is the teak wood. So if we take the staircase to the first floor, so this L-shaped passage connects us to 3 bedrooms. One which is the master bedroom, which is the owner's bedroom. In this bedroom, it overlooks to this balcony which is on the main elevation. There is this mast jutting out on which the red man is kept, which is the highlight of the house. This bedroom also has a jaruka which overlooks the double height living area. And in this composition, to highlight one point to attract the focus of the people, subtly we placed this abstract red man. We extended its leg to become a railing of the balcony which is jutting out from the elevation.
The jaruka of the bedroom is floating on in the living room to see the overall movement of the living room. Master bedroom bathroom, we are using a Jaisalmer stone with a nice artistic touch.
as Milan told that this was our first architectural project outside college, and it was the start of our career. And we know that it was so important for us, like we have learned a lot from the project. So if we look at the context of the house also, in the elevations the material palette are limited to the earthy tones or subtle tones such as grey, white. So to complement that and to not bring something out of the box, we chose the material palette to be exposed concrete texture, white color and exposed brickwork to give a sense of traditionality to the building.
So in this house we are using a different material in the flooring, such as a Kota stone with a different finishes with the Galicha print tiles and the Jaisalmer stone. અમારે પ્રોજેક્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરે ત્યારે અમારા માઇન્ડમાં એક જ થોટ હતો કે અહીંયા જે રહેવાવાળો માણસ છે એની જે પર્સનાલિટી છે એવી જ પર્સનાલિટી અમારે જે બી પ્રપોઝડ કરીએ એ ઘરની હોવી જોઈએ. તો અમારે જે પ્રપોઝ અત્યારે જે આઉટપુટ આવ્યું છે એનાથી અમે એટલા સેટિસ્ફાઈ છે કે આજુબાજુવાળા બી એની ડિસ્કસ કરે, એટલે વાતચીત કરે છે.